Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. Okay, so today I'm gonna do a video for Hooked on Nails. That is a collab group. So the theme for this month is tiger, because it is the Chinese year from the tiger. So I got me something new from a cart, the nail art display stand. That's what I'm gonna use to apply my nails on, and I decided to do something with my Aimeili cateye gel. So like you can see, I picked out number 101 and 098. So yeah, it's a red and gold. Not what you expect for a tiger, right? So what I did, I actually mixed them together. I am really surprised with the results. Look at the gorgeous orange right there, right? So let me take a magnet and show you the effect. If you need a certain color that you don't have in your collection yet, but you do have the colors to mix it yourself, just do it, because oh my gosh. Do you see that, guys? That is like the perfect tiger orange, right? That's what we're gonna use today. So yeah, let me take out this McCart stand. So I'm only gonna do 3 nails. Ooh, look how cute. Wow, it even comes with those little sticky bobby things. Cute. And look at that, it even comes with a flower. How neat is that, right? So I'm gonna take out my stand. Ooh, look at the white ones. You see the blue? Okay, so this is how it looks. Really pretty, but I don't know about the quality, to be honest, guys. Like the little bags to put your nail on are plastic, so yeah, we will see how sturdy these are. But look at that gorgeous flower. Perfect to make pictures, right? Freaking love the little flower. So let me take 3 black nails and attach them with this green sticky diggy. And yeah, and then you're gonna see me back with 3 black nails, so we can start. I think the first step I want to do is take the orange that I just made. I take a brush. You know what? I will mix this one as well, because I definitely gonna need it for sure. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to make some lines next to each other like that. Leave some place open, because I also gonna apply some no white top coat between it, and then we're gonna marble it, so we still have the black peeking through, because the tiger is a black and orange. All right, so let's see if I can make another one like that, so I don't need to take a break. So like you can see, I already made 2 times 3 lines with my orange. I hope this line is going to be thick enough. I have no idea. These are new white pea thingamabobbies that I have, and I must say, guys, I'm really happy with them. I got them from AliExpress. I am adding clear top coat between the orange, like that. Just want to make sure I'm not touching my orange. So if you do that, be really careful and check your brush, okay? And now we're gonna marble this together like that. Oh, that looks pretty, isn't it? Look at that. Just give it a little swirl. Let me grab my nail. I'm gonna use 1 nail on this pretty flower like that. So the first step I gonna do is I gonna use my Aimeili blossoming base clear. Let me tell you guys, if you are looking for a blossoming gel, wow, this one is like, woo, amazing. Yeah, your stuff will blossom like nobody's business, let me tell you. So just put it over the whole nail or the part where you want your colors to go, like that. And now, I hope this will work with this brush, guys, because I have no clue where my ombre brush is. So let's try, shall we? I just went like that. And now I'm gonna try and float it. I'm gonna let it go down a little bit and float it on my nail without really touching the nail. I hope that the clear will come through, but it's not really looking like that, isn't it? So let's pick up another one. Like that. So we're gonna take my magnet. Yeah, you better do that pretty quick, guys, because keep in mind you are working on top of blossoming gel, right? Yeah, keep in mind, because like I'm doing it right now, you cannot go back. You cannot go over it, if you know what I mean. Yeah, I really like it like that. I'm gonna try pull up a little bit more of the color at the tip. Okay, I like it. So we're gonna cure that in my lamp. And then we're gonna go to the next nail. Again, I will use my blossoming base. Okay, now let's take it from here. Pick it up. And you're gonna float it on the nail like that. Just make sure that you still have black left, okay? Because yeah, a tiger also have black stripes, right? Come in with your magnet. Wow, that one looks really cool, right? Just want to darken up a little bit in the center. Just make sure to not play too long with it, because yeah, your blooming gel is still blooming, you know what I mean? So it will keep on changing on you. Okay, I think we're gonna keep it. So let me clean up and then we will see what we do with number 3. Okay, so I think I want to go with one of these on the black nail. That look cool, right? The only thing I'm sad about, I really love this one. It's nice and big as well, but that's not a tiger. We need a tiger face. So let me see, because I do want a big one. Maybe one that is growling. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Maybe go for this one. So I think I'm gonna leave the base black, so the tiger have the chance to jump out of the nail. These stickers are so thin, guys. Okay, we have it. I can breathe again. Thank you, Lord. Okay, so let's see. Where can I put him on the nail? I don't want to put him like straight. Let's do it like a little bit with a slant. It looks cool, right? Okay. Let's push it like that. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? So let me see, maybe if I can maybe use some little crystals or something to put in the cuticle area. Okay, give me 1 sec. I don't know what happened. I know I was filming and suddenly my camera went off. So what I did, I applied my She Modern Satin No Wipe Top Coat, and now I'm just placing my crystals in there. Like you can see, it's a really easy placement. A big one in the middle, and then you go smaller and smaller, just following the cuticle area, and you repeat that on both sides like that. Just make sure you have them nice like that, and now I can cure it. Okay, now for the cat eye nails, I decided to go with the white tiger. These are so hard to peel up without ruining them. You really need to go so carefully. Like you can see, like bam, we have him. We have him. Oh crap, I even don't know if you will see him. Oh no, that's gonna be a bummer. Yeah, I don't think that was a smart decision. Okay, I did peel him up, so let's just use it, right? I don't want to let him go to waste, but hey, everybody knows there is a tiger on here, right? Flat it down. Yeah, I don't know what to do about this, guys. I just have no idea. Do you even see the tiger? I don't think you can see him, right? Do you see him? I don't know if you even can see him. Honestly, I have no clue what to do right now, because yeah, I was really hoping it would like stand out. I had no idea that the stickers would be see-through, okay? I was really hoping they would look white at the back, but clearly they're not. For now, let me give it a nice shiny top coat with the satin She Modern. I don't know, I honestly don't know what to do with them, guys. Maybe I just gonna leave it like that. Just give it a nice top coat and call it a day. So my middle nail will be like the center nail, so to speak. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it like that. Yeah, can see it a little bit, right? Yeah, I'm kind of disappointed in this one. Yeah, I don't gonna waste a second sticker. I just gonna give this one a nice top coat. If I don't like it, how it looks with the satin on the cat eye, then I just gonna go over with the glossy, okay? I just wanted to see how these would look with a satin. Look how beautiful these are, right? Beautiful, beautiful cat eyes that Aimeili have. So beautiful. So yeah guys, here it is, my final result. I must say I really like it with the satin on top of the cat eye. So this is a top coat that I have used because I wanted to see the effect with the cat eye with the satin, and yeah, I really like it. So don't forget, if you want to create an orange cat eye, you can always mix red and gold and become this gorgeous cat eye orange. Look at that. So yeah, what do you guys think? Is it a sassy or a trashy? I must say I really like it. I really do. Especially with the tiger in the center. It's like really the accent nails, you know. And then you can do all the other nails like that with the cat eye. Really special, you know. You can always place some more crystals if you like to, if you do the whole set. But yeah, I really like them. I really hope you like them too, guys. So definitely let me know in the comments if you want to see them also with a high gloss. Let me know. Actually, I can do that, right? Okay, let me first try and take some pictures. And then I will do those two with a high glossy top coat, okay? Hey guys, so here I am back, the two last nails with the orange cat eye. I did apply a shiny top coat on them now, so I don't know if you can see the difference or not, but yeah, that's how they're looking now. Not bad, right? I actually like them. So yeah, what do you guys think? Is it a sassy or a trashy? Let me know. And also, definitely let me know what you like the most. Okay? So, do you like it more with the high gloss, or do you like it more with the satin? I'm really curious for that, okay? So definitely let me know. So yeah, I'm gonna close off this video for now. Definitely let me know what you think about it, if you like it. Don't forget to go and visit the other ladies in the Hooked on Nails collaboration, because yeah, they did amazing job as well with those tiger nails, let me tell you. So I'm gonna close like I always do, guys. Geef deze beertjes een brul. Rare. And stay sassy. Bye bye everybody. I love you all and I see you later. Bye. Mwah. Did you already subscribe to my channel? Don't forget to do it if you like the video, and also don't forget to bump the little thumbs up, okay?